Hey everyone, welcome back to MF Cooking. In today's video, we're going to be making a delicious orange chicken, which is so much better than takeout. We hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Let's start. For this recipe, you would need boneless chicken thighs or tenderloins. We use tenderloins, all-purpose flour, cornstarch, salt, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, 1 egg, orange juice, rice vinegar, soy sauce, red pepper flakes, oil, we use olive oil, minced garlic, granulated sugar, and brown sugar. First, cut the chicken into cubes. Place your cut chicken to the side and grab a bowl for the wet batter. In the separate bowl, add 1/2 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of cornstarch, 1 egg, 1/2 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of oil, and season to taste. Grab another bowl for the dry batter. In this bowl, add a cup of flour. Before coating the chicken, heat up some oil on medium heat. Next, coat the chicken in flour and then coat the chicken in the wet batter. After coating the chicken, the oil should be hot. To make sure the oil is hot, place a wooden stick in the oil. If the oil bubbles around the stick, the oil is hot. Next, fry the chicken for about 8 minutes or until golden. Now that the chicken is done, it's time for the sauce. In a saucepan, add 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of orange juice, about 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, and then you're going to add a cornstarch slurry, which is 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water mixed. After adding in the slurry, stir the sauce mixture. After stirring the sauce, add in your chicken and let simmer for about 5 minutes or until the sauce thickens. That's it for the orange chicken recipe. Thanks for watching the video, and see you all next time.